One of our local medical office here wants me to help them identify patients who have missed 2 or more scheduled appointments. The first thing I'm going to do is to count the number of missed appointments on column D by each patient. I'm going to use a function called COUNTIFS with a S because I'm going to use multiple criteria. The first argument will be the data set or the column for the patient name. I'm going to press F4 once to make it into a fix, and then the second argument would be B2, the person or the name itself of the person, and then comma. The second argument will be the attended column, which is C, all the way down, and press F4 to make it fix again. And then the fourth argument would be the text NO to indicate did not attend. And I'm going to hit enter after that. As you can see, Melvin has missed 1 appointment. And if you double click this handle here, you'll apply the rest of the rule. The next thing I'm doing is basically a flag which patients have missed 2 or more appointments. I'm going to use a simple if statement here. Open parenthesis, this particular cell greater than equal to 2. If you want to change this to 3 or 4 number of times that the patient have missed, you can change it here. For this example, I'm just going to say 2. And if this is true, I'm going to display the text called missed 2 appointment, like that. Double quote here, and then after that comma. And for false condition, anybody who has missed appointment once or maybe none, I'm just going to leave it as blank, like that, and close parenthesis and hit enter. And now if I were to double click on this handle here, you can identify or see patients who have actually missed 2 or more appointments. And after that, your job is done.